Welcome to this little video. My name is Frederick. I'm one of the devs of Grave News Sire, the little game that we've been developing for Brackey's Game Jam 2025, the second one. And I'm here to show you our little game, or at least show you the state that it's currently in. This is the first game that we've done, and we've learned a lot. We run into a couple of glitches and bugs, and there are still some bugs here and there, but the game is fun as it is right now, and we're definitely planning on continuing development after the game jam. So what we have here is a little shop where James, your trusted butler, is selling you items. This is your own castle. You're the lord of the castle, and the castle has been taken over, so it's up to you to take it back, and especially it's up to you to take back your beloved biscuit, which has been kidnapped. So we're going to head into the dungeon. As you can see, it still needs a little bit of love, but we're working on it, and it's randomly generated, so we have a couple of rooms that are getting snaked into each other or attached to each other randomly, and you have these lovely knights that can either shoot or slash, or some can both and switch, like this fellow here. We don't have a lot of enemy models, unfortunately, because we ran out of time, so we have different enemy types, but they all currently still look the same. We have a couple of nice additions, like this picture of ourselves on the wall, because we really do like ourselves, or at least our player does. And as you can see, a couple of bugs, like the chest being hard to hit. The speed of the fight currently is because I already bought quite a lot of upgrades, because I'm currently testing the upgrade system for balance issues, which there are some. But yeah, what's a game without glitches? What else? Randomly generated dungeons, I told you. We have the shop system, you know about that. We have glitches, definitely. We don't have a boss fight yet, unfortunately. We didn't manage to get around to that. I've created a lovely sign that the boss fight, or the boss fight room, is under construction, and then we totally forgot to add the sign to the room before the end of the submission. So what you have is... Actually, I don't know what you have, because I haven't managed to play up until the boss room, and I haven't checked in Godot, in the game engine, what the room currently looks like. But hey, I'm having a pretty good run. I've made it to room 4 already. You see the little minimap on the top. The minimap is somewhat pointless at the moment, because we haven't managed to add any connections between rooms except for the primary one. So there's always just 2 doors in every room at the moment, but we're planning on making it a little bit more like a maze, so that the minimap actually makes sense, and that you can... Oh, I died. That you can switch between rooms faster, find your way, try to maybe figure out which way the boss room is at. And once we implement things like a shop inside the dungeon and other special rooms, then it will be easier for you to navigate back to those rooms. So we can buy a max health upgrade. That is a permanent upgrade. And permanent in this case meaning that while you are playing, for every run it's permanent. We don't have a save system yet, but once we have a save system implemented, it will be permanently for your save. Yeah, so I'm gonna continue testing for bugs and balancing issues. Give it a try, rate us on itch.io if you played our game, and if you've enjoyed it, I recommend downloading the executables, because the web version has a couple of performance bugs that are not in the offline versions. Okay, see you around.